7 Habits to Build a Bright Future, your roadmap to success. Start your day with purpose. Define your goal, carve your path, steer your journey towards success. Embrace learning. Seek knowledge, grow wisdom, ignite the spark of innovation. Practice persistence. Stay focused, drive forward, let every setback fuel your comeback. Build strong relationships. Connect genuinely, inspire others, be the strength in someone's weakness. Embrace failure. Learn from mistakes, rise above, turn failure into stepping stones for success. Manage your finances wisely. Financial stability is a cornerstone of a bright future. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort and perseverance.